The EU-funded CONFETI project aims to develop a self-sufficient system to produce urea and enable on-site fertilization using natural resources. It would be one of the most environmentally friendly nitrogen fertilizer production systems ever. What is the technology behind the CONFETI system? The first component is the electrochemical reactor, which captures CO2 and nitrogen, N2, directly from the air. This innovative process involves an electrochemical reduction that converts the gases into urea. By using air as a raw material, the CONFETI system dramatically reduces the need for fossil fuels. The reactor uses advanced catalysts to ensure efficient and selective urea production, making the process environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Next is the Soil Microbial Fuel Cell, SMFC. This device generates energy from naturally occurring soil microorganisms. It works by harnessing the metabolic processes of these microbes, which produce electricity as a byproduct. This energy is used to power the electrochemical reactor. Integrating soil microbial fuel cells with solar panels creates a hybrid system with a continuous and renewable energy supply. This sustainable approach minimizes the carbon footprint and provides a reliable power source for the entire CONFETI system. The third component is the photochemical reactor, which plays a crucial role in nitrate recycling. Nitrates, often unused by plants, can accumulate in soil and water and become an environmental hazard. The photochemical reactor uses sunlight and innovative photocatalysts to convert these nitrates into useful fertilizers, such as ammonia or urea. This process not only reduces pollution, but also improves the way fertilizers are used, ensuring that plants get the nutrients they need without overloading the soil with excessive chemicals. The three components are connected by advanced electronic circuitry that manages and synchronizes them, ensuring efficient energy flow and harmonious interaction between all parts. The result is an intelligent and self-sufficient system that produces and delivers fertilizer locally, reducing the need for storage and transportation. In summary, the CONFETI solution is designed to revolutionize fertilizer production by capturing and converting CO2 and nitrogen, generating energy from soil microorganisms, and recycling nitrates. CONFETI offers a sustainable, efficient, and environmentally friendly approach to agriculture, with potential applications in other industries, paving the way for a greener future.